friends, Learnera Academy welcomes you all to the session. This is Suja Alex, Assistant Professor from St. Xavier's Catholic College of Engineering, Nagarkoil. Today's session, I am going to explain brain-computer interface. This session, I am going to plan to discuss Introduction to BCI, History of BCI research, components of BCI system, and some of the BCI technologies. What is BCI? Brain-computer interface is a technology that allows the human to convey their intentions to the outside world directly from their thoughts. That is, human can control a computer or an electronic device with their thought. It is normally done by using electrodes. The electrodes detect electric signals in the brain and send to the computer. The computer then translates these electric signals into data, which is used to control a device connected to a computer. Now let's see the history of BCI. The BCI research started in the year 1970 in the University of California. In 1978, the first prototype was implanted in a man called Jerry. Here, a BCI of 68 electrodes was implanted on his visual cortex of brain. Following years of animal experiments, the first neuroprosthetic devices are implanted in humans during 1990s. In 2004, Matthew Nagel used BCI to restore functionality lost due to paralysis. 96 electrode was placed on his brain region of motor cortex that controlled his left hand and arm. Now let's see the components of BCI system. The BCI system consists of 4 components: signal acquisition, feature extraction, feature translation, and device output. The signal acquisition module involves the electrodes, which collects the electrical activity of the brain. Then these signals are amplified and filters the electrical noises. Then it is digitized and transmitted to feature extraction module. Next, the module is feature extraction. It converts the brain signals into relevant feature components. That is, the digital signal is analyzed and the features related to the person's intent are identified. The next module is feature translation. It converts the features into appropriate commands to control the external device. The last component is device output. It denotes output devices such as computer screen, robotic arm, etc. The output device operation provides feedback to the user. Now let me discuss few BCI technologies. First one is cochlear implant. Second one is brain gate. Third one is electrode cap. What is this cochlear implant? It's a hearing aid. It's an electrical device implanted in the cochlea of the ear surgically. It receives sound and transmits the resulting electrical signals to the electrodes. This signal stimulates cochlear part and the patient can hear. The next one is brain gate. Brain gate chip implant system was developed by Cyberkinetics in the year 2003. It helps the people who have lost control of their limbs or other bodily functions. The chip is implanted on the motor cortex of the brain. It monitors brain activity of patient and converts the intention into computer commands. Hence, this can be used to control a robot arm or a cursor on a screen. With the help of brain gate, the paralyzed people can turn on and turn off lights in their rooms. They can check and read emails. They can play games in computer and they can control a robotic arm. The last technology is electrode cap. It's a non-invasive 64 electrode cap. Here, the EEG records differences in voltages between neurons. The collected data is analyzed and tells what an external device should do. With this, I conclude this session. Thank you. Thank you for watching.